You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Spanish pronunciation. It's, of course, a video game, also a very common word, expression for cars. If you want to learn more car names, stay tuned. It comes from Spanish, not Italian. I believe it's definitely Spanish. Gran Turismo, that's the Spanish pronunciation here. Gran, meaning grand or big. Turismo, meaning tourism, so grand tourism. So there are cars for driving long distances. Gran Turismo, or the English pronunciation, Gran Turismo, Gran Turismo. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.